vlog coming to you from Da Nang, Vietnam. Today, let's delve into the heart of Da Nang food scene to discover the top 8 must-try dishes that you absolutely cannot miss when visiting this vibrant city. I once took some world-renowned food YouTubers on a street food exploration in Da Nang years ago. Coming back now in 2024, let's see how Da Nang's street food scene has evolved since becoming Vietnam's and Asia's beloved travel destination. Accompanying me on this occasion are Keigo and Kotomi from Japan and Arjun from the UK. Join us as we rediscover the culinary landscape of Da Nang, embracing both tradition and modernity. The first must-try dish when you're in Da Nang is definitely mì Quảng. We're gonna have it at a local specialty restaurant right in the city center. The eateries that I've chosen to guide you through today aren't just for tourists. The locals frequent them too because they've grown from long-standing brands and not just pop up solely to cater to travelers. So this is mì Quảng, the iconic dish of Quảng Nam province and Da Nang city. Just so you know, before 1997, Da Nang was part of the Quảng Nam Da Nang province, and then we were separated and become one of the 5 independent cities of Vietnam. Mì Quảng to us is more than just a local specialty. It's a source of pride that we always proudly present to international friends. Tanoshi undes kudasai. Mì Quảng is a half noodle soup, half noodle salad dish. The broth is somewhat concentrated and doesn't drown the noodles, unlike bún bò or phở. The blade of fresh veggies on the side is essential for this dish. Don't forget to pile them into your bowl, mix it up, and savor.
このヌードルには卵と肉と野菜が入っていて、なんかすごい日本のヌードルと少し似てるんですけど、肉も野菜も日本の味と似ていて、とても食べやすいです。
The second dish you gotta try in Da Nang is bún mắm nêm. It's a noodle salad with roasted or boiled pork, and the dressing is a special fish sauce unique to central Vietnam called mắm nêm. So mắm nêm is the common dipping sauce from the coastal provinces in central Vietnam, and by smelling, wow, it smells really strong and bold and intense, and the flavors is explosive and pungent. This is definitely my favorite dipping sauce in the whole wide world. Mắm nêm is made from fresh anchovies, fermented with salt using traditional recipes. There are 2 types of mắm nêm, blended one and the one with the whole anchovy still visible, like this one. It's mixed with garlic, chili, and sugar to make it more palatable. So, itadakimasu. This is such a fresh noodle salad dish. The noodle is slippery and tender. The vegetables are so fresh, together with the crunchy roasted pork. The anchovy sauce really brings all the ingredients, all the items together. It goes so well. Definitely my favorite food. Apart from bún mắm, mắm nêm is also used as a dipping sauce for bánh tráng cuốn thịt heo or pork rolled in rice paper, a Da Nang version of the globally famous Vietnamese fresh bean roll. This is the third dish that I recommend trying in Da Nang. What tells this dish apart from other Vietnamese fresh bean rolls is the stack of rice noodle sheets and the slice of pork that had fat at both ends. Yeah, this is a very special technique that the local people invented to make the dish extra special. Yeah. To serve, you place a piece of thin rice paper on a stack of rice sheets, lightly press it, and a layer of the rice sheet will stick to the rice paper, making it easier to roll without tearing. Add fresh veggies and green fruits like green mango, green banana, cucumber, fresh herb, and a slice of meat, and roll it tightly.
で、肉とペーパーライスはこの野菜とすごくマッチしていてとても美味しかったです。
If you're into lots of fresh veggies in your roll, you might also enjoy the next one, gỏi cá Nam Ô. The Nam Ô fish salad takes its name from the village where it originated, Nam Ô Fishing Village, which is located at the mouth of the Cude River beneath the Hai Vang Pass. Nam Ô Fishing Village is century old, and Normally, the fishermen only prepare this dish for family consumption, but now it has become a local specialty, and it's available in two versions. This is the dry version, and this is the wet version.
The fish, usually sardine, are caught and filleted the same day, mixed with vinegar and lime juice to be slightly cooked without heat, making it Vietnam's answer to sashimi. For the dry version, fish is mixed to coat with ground toasted rice powder, while the wet version has the fish soaked in a sauce made with fish sauce, mint ginger and galangal, garlic and chili. The accompanying fresh veggies are diverse, including lettuce, common Vietnamese herbs, and wild herbs picked around Hai Vang Pass. When eating, you roll the fish salad in rice paper with various veggies and dip in the homemade sauce with lots of sesame seeds and peanuts. The wet fish salad can also be eaten in a bowl with small broken pieces of rice cracker, added wild herbs, and the fish salad soaking sauce.
Maybe you can taste the fresh fish better when you enjoy it like this.
What a delicious bite, making the most of the wonderful gifts of nature. With its stunning world-class coastline, nature has generously gifted Da Nang with an abundance of fish and seafood. When you are here, you cannot miss the fresh seafood dishes with various types and preparations. There are so many seafood restaurants in Da Nang that it's hard to pick the best, but I will give you two tips. First, crowded places usually have fresh and tasty seafood because they have a high turnover. And second, if you want to enjoy good and affordable seafood, look for places a bit far from the city center towards the fishing port. If you can find a place that combines both, you've hit the jackpot. Authentic seafood places will have live seafood still swimming in tanks. Instead of ordering from the menu, you'll head to an area with display tanks to choose the type you want to eat. The staff will weigh it and recommend how to have it cooked. You can have it steamed or grilled for the pure, fresh taste of the seafood, or you can go for sauces like garlic butter, cheese, tamarind, lemongrass chilies, etc. Don't forget to order some bread to dip in the sauce.
全て美味しかったんですけど、全てすごい新鮮で美味しかったんですけど、私の一番のお気に入りのものはこのスパイシーオクトパスっていうちょっとスパイシーなソースとタコが絡まった料理が私は一番好きです。
The fishing resources are so abundant in this area that it exceeds the capacity for consumption. The surplus is turned into fish cakes and made into my next recommended dish called bún chả cá, very popular and loved by the locals. You can find many bún chả cá stores on the streets of Da Nang.
Here we have another bowl of iconic noodle soup from central Vietnam. Because Da Nang is a coastal city, so we have a lot of fish, and it all comes into this special noodle soup bowl. We have a fish cake in bowl version, steamed and fried, and also the whole piece of fish is cooked in vegetable broth with a lot of pumpkin and then bamboo shoot and tomatoes and pineapple, so lots and lots of vegetables. Yeah. And it's also served with another side platter of fresh greens.
Alongside bún chả cá, you get plenty of condiments like shrimp paste, crushed garlic and chili, pickled shallots, lime, fresh green chilies, fish sauce and sacha sauce to add to your bowl according to your taste. Bún chả cá stores usually operate all day from early morning until late at night, open all year round, even during New Year's days, so whenever you crave it, it's ready. The next dish on the must-try list when in Da Nang is chicken rice. The rice here is typically reddish-orange, cooked with chicken broth, making it fragrant and tasty. There are two topping options, chicken salad and fried chicken. The chicken salad consists of shredded chicken mixed with sliced onion and Vietnamese mint, very fresh and healthy. Whereas the fried chicken is meticulously prepared. The chicken is boiled in a chicken broth infused with a variety of herbs to enhance the tenderness and fragrance, then drained and quickly fried in a wok with a generous amount of oil. creating a crispy skin outside while keeping the inside moist and flavorful.
このチキンは日本のチキンとよく似ていて、濃くなく薄くなく、なんかちょうどいい味でとても食べやすいです。
Last but not least, when in Da Nang, you have to try bánh xèo. Unlike the massive southern version, bánh xèo here is more with fillings of shrimp, meat, and bean sprouts. When you eat it, the crepe is cut in half, rolled in thin rice paper with fresh veggies, varied green fruits like banana, papaya, and a grilled pork skewer called nem loi. Another distinctive feature of bánh xèo Da Nang is the dipping sauce made from a blend of 7 aromatic and richly textured ingredients. So incredibly flavorsome.
I was really blown away by how different the bánh xèo was, the most famous place.
Yeah.
Different to the bánh xèo I had before, and way more tasty.
That's the wrap on our top 8 must-eats in Da Nang. From unique noodles, varied kinds of spring rolls to seafood, we've tried all. Which dish caught your eye the most? Let me know in the comments below.
Thank you so much for joining us in the Da Nang food exploration today. Special thanks to Ash, Kotomi, and Keigo for accompanying me in this exploration of Da Nang food today. And I hope you all had a great time. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel for more amazing Vietnamese food. Until then, stay well, eat well, and savor every moment. See you then. Bye.